Hello my friends, and let's finish this section on a great and exciting note where we're gonna build a final application with PartyRock this time. It will be super easy. You will see we won't even need an AWS account and the setup will just take a few seconds. So let's do this. This time let's not go to the console home, but in fact in a new browser tab. So in your favorite browser, please enter Amazon PartyRock and let's press enter, and there you go. That's going to be the first link, partyrock.aws. So here we go. Let's go inside and welcome to PartyRock, where you can build any AI apps with indeed powerful capabilities. So the first thing we have to do is still to sign in with an account, which doesn't have to be an AWS account, but simply by entering your email. So let's do this. Let's click here, start for free, or log in here. And then as you want, you can either sign in with Google, Apple, or Amazon. Let's do Google, for example. I'm going to provide my AWS email, actually, Cloud Student 2024, next, and password. Okay, I'm going to enter it super quickly. And here we go, next. And that's it. That's all you need to set up your PartyRock account. Yeah, click continue. Sign into PartyRock in US East 1, yes. And you just have to enter a username. I'm going to say Hadlin Cloud Wolf. Okay, yes, that's where I am. And let's click submit. Okay, let's confirm we are a human. We have to click on the hat. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. And should be fine. Confirm. And supposedly all is good. And yes, perfect. Announcing PartyRock public roadmap. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is create our first app immediately. And I will tell you what we'll create. Let's create something that should be exciting for every one of us, which is a pretty special movie recommender app. So you all know the classic movie recommender apps like the ones on Netflix, which will tell you which movies you might like or love. But I want to do something different this time. I want to make an app that will recommend to us movies that we actually have no expectation to like. You know, movies that we would never expect to like, but which we'll actually love a lot. Okay, so there you go. In order to create this app, you either click make your first app here, or you can also go to apps and then click either generate app or generate your next app. So let's do this, generate your next app. And here, it's so simple. You just have to describe in text what you would like your app to do. And so as we said, if you want to create the same app as me on this specific movie recommendation with what we call serendipity, you know, in order to have those unexpected recommendations, well, let's do this. Let's say I want to create an app that recommends movies we would never expect to like, but which we will actually love a lot. Okay, so let's click generate and let's see what happens. Okay, so here's the app. Unexpected Delights, a movie matchmaker. That's the name of your app. Let's read a bit the description. Welcome message. Welcome to the Unexpected Movie Gem Finder. I love this also, Movie Gem Finder. This app will recommend movies you never thought you'd like, but you will absolutely love. We'll ask you about your favorite movies, genres you typically avoid, and use that information to surprise you with hidden cinematic treasures. That's perfect. That's exactly what I had in mind. And actually, maybe we'll all end up watching a movie we will really love tonight and that we did not expect to like. So here we go. Favorite movies. I'm going to enter some of my favorite movies, which are first, well, I'm going to enter my favorite one, which is Gattaca. I really love this movie. But then what do we have? I really love The Shawshank Redemption. I really love Interstellar. I really love also Forrest Gump. What else do I like? I really love La La Land. What about including a Coppola movie? Let's include this one, The Godfather. And I think that's it. Okay, so now we have to enter as well the disliked genres. You know, genres that we don't often watch. Okay, so as far as I'm concerned, I don't watch much of war movies. So I'm going to enter this. Yes, for example, mute movies. What else? Black and white movies, you know. I don't usually watch the old style movies. And there you go. That's all we have to enter. These are basically the inputs for the user that the user has to enter in order to get the output, which will be the recommended movies that are unexpected to be appreciated by the user. And so here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's click play. And Now it's generating. There you go. Analysis of favorite movies, common themes, styles, and elements, character-driven narratives. All of these movies focus on strong, well-developed characters and their personal journeys, overcoming adversity. Many of these films feature protagonists facing significant challenges and obstacles. Okay, so basically here it's describing, the features of the movies I loved, the ones that I provided here. So it's just doing an analysis to understand how it's going to recommend some movies that I don't expect to like, but that I will really love. And let's see what are those movies. Surprising movie recommendations. The first one is Black Swan from 2010. That's a good choice, but I already watched it. Now, how about this one? Yes, I didn't watch this one. Persepolis from 2007. I'll add that to my watch list. I have never seen that movie. And finally, Once from 2007. Okay, cool. I'll definitely add these last two movies on my watch list and I'll see if I will actually love them. These recommendations offer surprising yet potentially appealing options that align with the user's tastes while introducing them to new genres and storytelling approaches. Fantastic! So there you go. That's it for this hands-on tutorial on PartyRock. Congratulations for completing this section on that exciting note. And until then, enjoy the cloud.